New warning about flesh-eating bacteria in the Tampa Bay region. Good evening, I'm Keith Cate.
And I'm Stacy Scheibel. Thank you for joining us. Florida health officials report 5 deaths this year from flesh-eating bacteria, all of them in the Bay Area, including 2 in Hillsborough County. Justin Schecker spoke with an ER doctor about ways to protect yourself. He joins us live tonight in Tampa. Justin?
Keith and Stacy, good evening. A local ER doctor told me people with compromised immune systems or chronic liver disease are more vulnerable to become seriously ill from flesh-eating bacteria. But he says anyone with an open wound may want to think twice before going in the water.
Living in Florida, being around the marine environment, we need to be aware of what it is.
8 on Your Side has learned there have been 5 deaths in Tampa Bay this year linked to the flesh-eating bacteria, Vibrio vulnificus. Statewide, the Florida Department of Health reports 25 confirmed cases since January. Dr. Eric Seamus is an emergency room physician at Bayfront Health, St. Petersburg.
Whenever you have a break in the skin and you're in a marine environment, then theoretically you are at risk. It's very important to keep in mind that these severe infections are very rare.
He explained how boaters and beachgoers can protect themselves from flesh-eating bacteria.
If you have wounds, maybe stay out of the water. If you suffer a cut while in the water, just wash it out very thoroughly with soap and water. Monitor your symptoms and follow closely with your doctor if you have any questions.
Before Hurricane Ian last September, the state warned Floridians to avoid wading in floodwater, especially if they had open wounds. The bacteria thrives in warm, salty or brackish waters pushed ashore by a storm surge. But after the hurricane ripped through southwest Florida, health officials saw a noticeable increase in flesh-eating bacteria cases, including 11 deaths.
Vibrio, we know, is an infection that has a higher incidence in the warm summer months, which is also the hurricane season.
And that warning from the state about staying out of standing water after the storm still applies through this hurricane season. They can also get sick from flesh-eating bacteria by eating raw or undercooked shellfish, especially oysters.